Hey, what is going on, guys? Just wanted to do a quick morning watch list. So the first stock that we are watching, this is Microsoft. So we can see as everything sold off yesterday, Microsoft sold off as well. We had this break from this trend line right here, but you can see Microsoft is attempting to make a small recovery. So the key level that I'll be watching is this 434 level right here. This is a old supply level right there, which is now starting to become a bit of a demand zone. So if I can see Microsoft trading at this 434 level, this could make for a nice risk to reward type of trade where you are looking for something like this. So you're looking for a stop loss, something like that, and you're looking for a take profit somewhere up here in the 440 to 442 range up there. So I'm watching Microsoft at 434 to see how this thing plays out. Alrighty, so let's go down the list and see what else we could have. So this right here, this is the Qs. So this is QQQ, and we can see for the Qs, we have this key level right here at 518. So yesterday when we sold off, this is the area that we came and tested a few times. So this is that 518 range right there. And I am looking to see how buyers react at that level again. But this is the trade that I actually like better, which would be if we see a retracement down here to that 511 range. So we have a demand zone right here at that 511 range, and I like to see us come down, test this area for that continuation up here, and we could look for this level as an area to take some of our profits. And if we see a break above this area, we can look for that continuation up to the 520. So for the Qs, I'm looking at this 511, 512 range about right there for a bounce. Now, next on our list is AMD. So semiconductor stocks are all very red after that news from yesterday, but we can see AMD is finding a little bit of a support right here at that 113 range right there. So for AMD, if I see a retracement to this level right here, I'm looking for that consolidation and that continuation higher, hopefully back up to 119, maybe 120, maybe 122 range, which is our next level of supply up here. But this is a stock that you do not want to be getting into early. So I am looking for something all the way down here, right at that 113 range for that bounce, because AMD is something that can easily start to break lower and continue down to that 110 range. Alrighty. Next on our list is Tesla. So I already have a long position in Tesla. And for this, I am looking for, if you are not in Tesla and you see this thing retrace, well, I would be looking at this kind of range right here, that 380, 385 range right here. So at 385 to 388 range right here for that bounce play. But for Tesla, this is something that I would be buying longer contracts, because this could consolidate for a little bit. It could go a little bit lower. And we have a resistance level for Tesla right here at that 506 range right there. So if you are looking to buy Tesla, make sure you are buying at these lower levels right here and not buying at these higher levels up here. So look for trades below $390 and look to be taking profits up here at that 404 to 405 range right here. So the one of the contract that I'm holding, I'm waiting for a break above that 508 and for us to start testing back into this 416 range right here. But so Tesla next on our list, but look for buys below 390. Finally, on our list, we have Amazon. We can see Amazon made kind of a full recovery after that big dip down yesterday. Amazon ran up almost 8% for a full recovery. So right now for Amazon, I would be watching the all-time highs range, the old all-time highs range, which is right here around that 233 range right here. I would be looking for a bounce play, something like this, and for us to continue to hold this level and to continue higher. It looks like Amazon wants to continue that move that it was trying to do before. It was kind of short-lived after that big dip with the entire markets yesterday, but it looks like Amazon is recovering now and it wants to continue higher. So look for Amazon around 232, 233 range for that continuation higher. So guys, I'm going to quickly go over the stocks that we went over. Microsoft around 434. Tesla, if you're buying around 380, make sure you're selling around 406. We have Amazon. We're watching Amazon at the old all-time high range, which is that 233 range. And then we have the Qs. We're looking at the Qs to see if we can see a bit of a retracement to that 511, 512 range. And we are making sure that we are taking profits around that 518 range, which is that old level of all our old level of resistance. So that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in pre-market.